Have you ever soared through clouds in your sleep, felt the wind beneath your wings, and woken up disappointed it wasn't real? If you've dreamed about flying, you're part of the 30% of people who experience this incredible phenomenon. But here's what's wild. Your flying dreams reveal way more about your life than you think. Stay tuned because I'm about to blow your mind with the science behind flying dreams, what they actually mean, and, this is the crazy part, how you can learn to control them. What's up, Dream Explorers? I'm Celine Ray, and if you're obsessed with understanding your dreams and unlocking the mysteries of your subconscious mind, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most fascinating dream experiences, flying dreams. And before we take off, literally, smash that like button if you've ever had a flying dream and hit subscribe with notifications on because we're about to explore some mind-blowing dream content that could change how you sleep forever. Let's start with the science. Flying dreams typically occur during REM sleep, that's rapid eye movement sleep, when your brain is most active and creative. But here's where it gets interesting. During REM sleep, your brain releases a chemical called glycine that paralyzes your muscles. It's like nature's safety lock, preventing you from acting out your dreams. But sometimes your brain gets confused about this paralysis, and that weightless feeling translates into the sensation of flight in your dreams. Dr. Deirdre Barrett from Harvard Medical School found that flying dreams are actually more common in people who are creative problem solvers. Think about that. Your flying dreams might be a sign that your brain is in peak creative mode. But the real question is, what do these dreams mean for your life? Now here's where it gets personal. Flying dreams aren't just random brain activity. They're your subconscious trying to tell you something important. Type 1, effortless flying. If you're soaring easily through the sky, feeling free and joyful, this usually means you're experiencing a sense of liberation in your waking life. Maybe you just overcame a major obstacle, ended a toxic relationship, or finally pursued that dream job. Your brain is literally celebrating your freedom. Type 2, struggling to fly. But what if you're struggling to get off the ground or you keep falling? This typically represents feelings of being held back in real life. You have big dreams and ambitions, but something, fear, self-doubt, external circumstances, is keeping you grounded. I remember talking to a subscriber who kept dreaming about flying but could never get higher than a few feet off the ground. Turns out, she was in a job that was crushing her creativity. 6 months after she quit and started her own business, her flying dreams transformed into soaring adventures. Type 3, fear of flying in dreams. And then there's the scary flying dreams, where you're terrified of heights or losing control. These often reflect anxiety about taking risks or fear of success. Your subconscious is processing the scary but necessary changes you need to make. Drop a comment right now and tell me which type of flying dream sounds most like yours. I read every single comment. Here's something fascinating. Flying dreams appear in every culture throughout history, but they mean different things. In ancient Greek culture, flying dreams were considered messages from the gods. The Romans believed they predicted future success. In many Native American traditions, flying dreams represent spiritual journeys and connection to ancestors. But in modern psychology, Carl Jung saw flying dreams as representations of our desire to transcend limitations and reach our highest potential. Freud, predictably, thought they were about, well, let's just say he had different theories. But honestly, sometimes a flying dream is just your brain having fun with the laws of physics. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. How to actually control your flying dreams through lucid dreaming techniques. Method 1. reality checks. Throughout your day, ask yourself, am I dreaming? Look at your hands, check digital clocks, or try to push your finger through your palm. In dreams, these things behave weirdly. Do this enough, and you'll start doing it in your dreams too. Method 2. Dream journaling. Keep a dream journal by your bed. Write down every detail you remember as soon as you wake up. This trains your brain to pay attention to dreams and increases your chances of becoming lucid. Method 3. The flying visualization. Before bed, spend 5 minutes visualizing yourself flying. Feel the sensation. Imagine the wind. See the landscape below. This primes your subconscious for flying dreams. Method 4. Wake back to bed. Set an alarm 4 to 6 hours after falling asleep. Wake up, think about flying for 10 to 15 minutes, then go back to sleep. This targets REM sleep when flying dreams are most likely. One of my viewers, Celine, used these techniques and within 3 weeks was having controlled flying dreams twice a week. She said it completely changed her confidence in waking life, too. But here's the really cool part. Learning to fly in your dreams can actually transform your waking life. When you master flying dreams, you're training your brain to overcome limitations, build confidence, enhance creativity, reduce anxiety about taking risks, develop a stronger sense of personal power. Studies show that people who regularly experience lucid flying dreams report higher levels of self-confidence and are more likely to pursue challenging goals in real life. Think about it. If you can learn to soar through impossible landscapes in your sleep, what's stopping you from soaring in your career, relationships, or personal growth? All right, Dream Explorers, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the most amazing flying dream you've ever had? Which technique are you going to try first? What area of your life do you want to feel more free to fly in? And if this video helped you understand your dreams better, show some love with a like. It really helps more people discover this content. Want to dive even deeper into dream analysis? Check out my video on recurring nightmares. It reveals some shocking truths about what your scary dreams mean. And don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, because next week I'm sharing the secret technique that helped me achieve lucid dreaming in just 10 days. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Remember, your dreams aren't just random brain static. They're a direct line to your subconscious mind. Flying dreams are your inner self reminding you that you have the power to rise above any limitation. So tonight, when you close your eyes, maybe you'll find yourself spreading your wings and soaring into new possibilities. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.